Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Subaru Outback wiper blades. First, you'll want to identify the type of wiper arm on your vehicle, as there are a few common designs. Next, locate the small release tab or button, usually found where the blade connects to the arm. Understanding this mechanism is key to a smooth removal process. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds, and we'll walk through each step together. To begin, gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This provides better access and prevents the arm from snapping back. Now, look closely at where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old wiper blade down and off the arm's hook. It should detach with minimal effort once the tab is engaged. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This click confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to double-check that it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Be careful not to let them snap down, as this could damage the glass or the new blades. Before you hit the road, turn on your wipers to test them. Ensure they clear the windshield effectively and operate smoothly without streaking or chattering. For other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. They really are worth it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.